Determine if x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. To see if x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial. But make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. This expression is already in this form, so we plug in just the 2. So we get p of 2 equals 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 squared minus 5 times 2 minus 6. Simplifying, we get 8 plus 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 5 times 2 minus 10 and minus 6. Combining the positive terms, we get 16. Combining the negative terms, we get negative 16. These terms cancel each other out, and we get 0. So x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial.